Welcome to Thunderhill Raceway. Today is April 15. We're gonna be doing 7 sessions and we're gonna be riding the Ninja 400. Shall we?
Finish him!
That's the second red flag out of 3 sessions. I don't get it. I really don't. And that one was on the very first lap.
Right on that lap.
I don't get it, people. Just warm up your brain, warm up your tires. What are you doing? Properly tired, and it's not like hot outside, but you get on the Thunderhill vibes. It's always hot here, and it's like 66-68 degrees outside, but it's already cooking. Maybe it's winter, maybe it's time to sign up for gym, I don't know. But overall it was fun to go back to Thunderhill East, which is the place that I really know. And it's fun to see a lot of people over-braking and riding bigger bikes when you're going with Ninja and you just there's no brakes, wide open. So I hope you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.